Hey, Mo from Powerline, how you doing? Appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate all the business over the years. It's been a nice run, 39 years and 3 more months. We're mid-2023. I know we got some old videos out there where I say a few things that are probably anti-social, anti-political, and I gotta say, I meant it all. No, hey, that's true. So I want to go over our 35 horsepower big bad boy. I think it's one of the largest power washers built in the U.S. We're still U.S. owned. We're still a small business. We're getting ready to deliver this. This is on our mid-blue color trailer, which I love. I love this color. I'm going to go through a few specs real quick and stay on kind of a spec overview video so you can get an idea what we build and how we build them. Take a look at the hitch here. This is Super Duty, so you can adjust up or down. It's tuned 5/16 inch ball. That's latched down. In our safety video, we cover that. We got a heavy duty crank. It's the old Ram crank. Base package comes with the toolbox. Our upgrade package comes with the side toolboxes, signage, and strobe light and rear light. So if you want that, that's a package we can upgrade on top of this. But the 35 horsepowers, just so you know, we got them back in stock. This unit is a 115 volt. It's got a large heater on it. It runs close to 9 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI. Of course, PSI is determined by your nozzle, as we cover. Has your primer valve right there. Has your sight glass for oil. Just making sure everything's tight on this unit. You got your fast oil changes. Easy to get to unloader valve. We do cycle that through the whole system. The 35 horse, from my experience, is the largest power washer in the US. Where the advantage is, it's rather than show up with a shovel on a dig job, you show up with a track hoe, right? So this is the way the world's turning. Used to be charged per hour, now it's charged per job. So the quicker you get the job done, the more money you make. So it's all about the money. I'm humbled to hear the stories of some of our clients that have been into class. We do hold a class on training on this also for those of you that are going into the power wash business. No limit. Man, that's a no-limit business. We do videotape a few of the guys that have come in, and we've recently had, well, recently, last 4 classes had very successful power wash companies come in. So that's a great class. You can look that up. It's also on Power Wash Industries. So we'll do a quick walk around. On this trailer, this is 3/16 inch box. It's a box tube. If you break that, we'll send you a case of Red Bulls. You know, that's as good as it gets. On top of the what do they call that, Chris? C-channel. C-channel. Wow. Nice. I've heard that, but I'm getting old, right? Okay. Antifreeze, detergent. It does come with downstream injection. The 4 guns, the heavy duty water rack. Got the fancy wheels. We'll come on out back. We'll show you how we rig this up. Again, if it's the upgraded package, you'd have the light bar, toolboxes, and the strobe light, and then we can put your sign on if you want. If you want on that. This is a surface cleaner made by Steel Eagle, specifically for us. Great surface cleaner. It's just, well, what we like is there's no service calls, right? That's what you want. We got mark resistant hose. I got to be careful. It's not mark free. Turn the heat up. Of course, we don't recommend to go above 120 unless you're experienced to know what you're doing, right? So that's our warning on heat, because you don't want to get burned or burned by a low-end piece of equipment. So that goes two ways, but you can run 2 guns on this. These are both, those are the off position, on position. This isn't an operational video. This is a quick walk around. Ladder rack is pinned in. 4 gun holders back here. You can come on in, you can see where the burner system is, battery, keep a trickle charger on it. We got a catch tank for the overflow for the precipitate. Hey, I said that right. That comes off the heating coil, so we just leave that open. That'll drain automatically. And then on off on the unit, of course, you start it in the off position, turn it off the heater while it's running and cool it down. That's a standard, but the 35 horse continues to amaze us. Best power plant. I don't know if we'd be in business without them, Chris. We got what, over 10,000 of them out now. So worldwide, best motor made. Call us if you want more info. We're always happy to help. And we're back to where we can get units out pretty doggone quick. We're over the COVID stuff, and supplies working good, as long as we can keep the trucks rolling, right? Keep the drivers going. So yeah, calling time. Take care. Thanks.